Well, hello, and welcome to what will surely be an awesome week ahead on Inside the Hem. It is Forget Me Not Iris Week. All week long, I'm going to be posting videos dedicated to the 4 different irises I've made recently. I've got a lot of stuff going on social media too, so be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I am at Inside the Hem everywhere. So first things first, let's talk about this super cute, super versatile pattern. Iris is a t-shirt pattern designed for knit fabrics, which is easy to sew and easy to wear. If you want to stick with a classic basic, there are plain sleeve options in a short and 3/4 length. But if you crave something just a little more interesting, there are 2 pleated options for the sleeves. Both pleat designs feature cleverly intersecting pleats, which are surprisingly simple to sew. Iris features a classic women's t-shirt fit, which includes waist shaping without being clingy. The neckline is a classic crew neck. And for future reference, I did not make any alterations regarding fit for this or any of the irises I'm going to show you this week. They were all made from the same base pattern and are all the same size. The first iris that I am showing you was made following the original design with no alterations or hacks. As you can see, I opted for the standout pleated sleeve as that's the real star of the show. I know the sleeve looks complicated, like some kind of weird fabric origami, but you have to trust me when I tell you that it is so simple to sew. Basically, it's just a few pleats sewn into a dart, which I guess that kind of sounds complicated too, but believe me, she breaks it down really easily and you can sew it and it will look great, I promise. The fit of this tee is just like the site describes, shaped at the waist without being clingy. It's super comfortable to wear and really grabs people's attention when they see that the sleeve is anything but basic. It's kind of like a sideways mullet in that from the front it looks like a normal t-shirt, but when you turn to the side it's like, oh wow, cool, wonder where she got that kind of thing. So let's talk about the fabric. I chose only cotton knits for each of my irises this week, but each of them is a little bit different. So I'll be discussing each fabric individually with each video. This mustard yellow one is 100% cotton and has about 15% stretch. So not super stretchy, but because the design of the pattern is a little bit looser, you can get away with less stretch. It is lightweight for a cotton knit, weighing only about 4.3 ounces. And notating the weight was really important when I was choosing each fabric that I wanted to go with each version of the pattern that I had in my mind. You'll see why as the week goes on, but the weight really did play a big part in which fabric I chose for which version of the iris. The best part about this particular cotton jersey knit, is that it costs less than $6.50 a yard and comes in 7 different colors. So if the mustard's not for you, I totally get that. It comes in a lot of great basic colors. It's really beautiful purple as well. The fabric really does compare to the t-shirts you see in ready-to-wear. It's super stable, has great recovery, is very soft, and is still lightweight and breathable. Thank you, cotton. Oh, I should also point out that what I am modeling here is the fabric after it's been washed twice. I washed it once for a pre-wash, and then again after I sewed the shirt. So the texture that comes through is what you should expect with regards to pilling and fuzz. Remember though, it is cotton, so to some degree, distressing should be expected. Be sure to check the description box for a link to the exact fabric I chose. Fabric.com can be a little bit funny with their search function, and I want to make sure you don't end up picking the wrong one by mistake. I was a little bit nervous about getting the mustard yellow color. As an Asian American with olive skin, I was always told that yellow would wash me out. But I think that since this tone, the tone of this particular mustard yellow is so deep and rich, I don't know, I don't think it looks that bad. I don't think it really washes me out. I did put on a full face of makeup today, so, you know, I've got color on my cheeks and on my eyes and stuff, so I think that helps as well. I paired my new t-shirt with an old ready-to-wear skirt that honestly any of us could make. It's really just an elastic back skirt with one layer of chiffon over a layer of polyester. I threw on some peach toned jewelry and my favorite pair of Corks wedges, and I'm ready to go do just about anything. I may be wearing a t-shirt, but this outfit could totally work for anything from errands to a casual date or even in an office, if we ever get back to that again. I hope you all like this first entry of Iris Week. Be sure to come back to the channel tomorrow and every day this week to see the same pattern reinvented over and over again. But that's going to do it for me today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!